Innovations to me means doing something creative and unique within the limited resources that are available.
Innovation is opportunities to be recognized, heard of, to be valued.
To me, innovation is actually the possibility of looking at things that we already know from a different perspective, from a new perspective.
नए तरीके के साथ साथ जो हमारे एफिशिएंसी को इम्प्रूव कर सके और प्रोडक्टिविटी को बढ़ा सके, ये सारे चीज़ों को पाने के लिए जो भी तरीके हम लोग अपनाते हैं वो इनोवेशन का प्रकार हो सकता है.
Something which also comes from you personally and also collaboratively.
Finding out new solutions, new pathways, new strategies for a given issue.
Identifying a problem and finding a solution for it and use it for the betterment of mankind.
A new idea which gives sustainable solutions to an existing problem.
We hope that stories that don't get coverage, don't get covered, don't get told, will be out there for people to learn from, people to understand, and hopefully this understanding and this learning will lead to some kind of social change.
If we talk about innovation in our project, it has got two different parts. One is a completely technical design part of it, and the other side is that again that emotional connect which we are trying to build with the community and who we are designing for.
We have trained 130 persons with disabilities and their caretakers on survival skills. That is of all the disasters which is applicable in Kerala. And in the next disaster or the hazard, those who got the training programs, they will be at a safer end.
फार्मर्स में कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप हुआ है कि इस तरीके से भी मछली पालन किया जा सकता है, इस तरीके से भी अपने घर पे ही हम लोग इनकम ले सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा फार्मिंग प्रैक्टिसेस को इम्प्रूव करके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उत्पादन लिया जा सकता है.
Pastoralism has always existed, and today that entire space is facing the threat of existence. What our innovation has enabled is not just going to these people and ensuring that yes, you are being heard, filling them with that confidence, instilling that confidence in themselves that they value, they matter, but it has also brought together a very unheard of model.
Better preparation for disaster management. So in our country we have huge population who are living along the shoreline. What we need is a pre-informed decision making before any cyclone or any disaster. So in order to prepare the rural communities in the whole area of our country, we need specifically a data-driven decision making.
Where a mutual support is become the basis of finding out solutions for the communities, for the affected people, LGBTQ people, beach vendors, women. Tourists will come, tourists will go, but the local actors, they will stay forever. So they need to collaborate, they need to support each other, they need to do such kind of innovations where the risk should be reduced.
We as an organization, we want to create a bigger impact, which is basically that this innovative program should reach out to all 23,000 schools in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. And we have this dream, we have this vision, the safety and security of every child in Jammu and Kashmir.
Innovation is important in the social sector because innovation is important in the world.
तो यदि हम लोग इनोवेशंस में जाते हैं तो उसका एक स्वरूप ये भी होना चाहिए कि वो इतना उसका जो कॉस्टिंग हो इतनी हो कि वो सामान्य लोग भी उसका उपयोग कर पाएँ.
Innovation is definitely important in the social sector with community participation, and at large it is like policy change.
It is very important for the social sector at large to come together as not mere service delivery individuals or organizations who take resources from one pool and pass it on to the other. But how can they optimize these resources that are being redirected for the good of the larger space into some actual sustainable good of that space.
And we as social workers, humanitarian workers, can't keep doing traditional stuff. There has to be innovation in our programs, in our activities, so that we remain relevant in this evolving world.